How did you start the process of like door knocking, and why do you do it?
When you're new into the business, you don't know how you're gonna get your next lead. You know, I'm calling, and then someone answers the phone and they'll say something like, no, I'm not selling, but my neighbor. I would get that address, figure out 3 houses this way, 3 houses that way, and I will door knock those homes. Then people started answering their doors, telling me, yes, I wanna sell. 2-3 weeks down, or even 2-3 months later, I'll get a call and say, hi, is this Lisette? They'll say something like, you door knocked my house and I wanna list now. I'll say something like, can I call you back in 30 minutes? Then obviously I do my research and I don't even call them back. I just show up to their house. Wow. And I'm like, oh, I was actually in the neighborhood. I know that sometimes we don't know, who's interested in selling and who's not. But you can't be scared, because I've door knocked so many doors that I had one client that last year, it didn't come from door knocking, but it came from a sign. He gave me 9 deals, so I made about $90,000, one client.